Welcome, my name is Andrew from Ecom Experts. As you already know, this channel we review Shopify apps so you don't have to install them, clutter up your team, and then notice that's not what you need. So that's why you look at our little videos. This week we are going to look at Swell. Swell, which is an alternative or a competitor to Smile.io, and they do a rewards program. So I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, give us apps you want to see reviewed. And tell basically Google that this is good content if you actually enjoy it. Otherwise, let us know how we can do it better. And let's dive into and let's look at how Swell works. Installation is simple as with almost every other app. As soon as you integrate it with your Shopify or Shopify Plus account, you will be taken to the start guide. So first step is to choose the actions we want to reward our customers for. Plenty of options are available. We will keep these 3 campaigns and maybe happy birthday and click on next. Now we need to set the rules for our rewards program. First, we have a referral program. We can reward our customers with either points or a coupon. We will go with points. When a customer refers a friend, they will earn, let's say, 100 points. And referred customers is rewarded with a coupon word of 15%. So then you click on next. Points for purchase, we will reward each customer with 10 points for every $1 spent. And we will reward every account created with 100 points. That seems fair. Last one is a happy birthday gift, and we will say happy birthday earns 100 points. After all this is done, it's time to set our email preferences. You can change all of it later if you are not satisfied. Let's enable points reminder and thank you email, and we will leave redemption reminder and points used as disabled. On the next page, if you are a paid member, Swell offers to send email notifications through your email marketing provider. You can choose between Klaviyo, HubSpot, Bronto, and MailChimp. We will skip it and click next. If you are a paid member, you can choose from 3 beautiful pop-up templates with plenty of customization available. If you're not, your only option is a standard design, which frankly is not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Clicking on this button here, you can see how it looks on mobile, so you don't have to design it separately. We will go with a standard design and then go to the next page. The last page of this start guide is to pick a plan. Depending on your needs, you can choose from a bronze, the free plan, the silver at $29 a month, or go straight to the gold, which is about $249 a month, which is literally the gold. We will stay on the bronze plan since we're cheap, again, a recurring subject, but we're just reviewing free apps right now. Maybe later we will do paid app section reviews. Okay, start guide is done. It was nice and smooth. Now let's see what we can do from the main dashboard. In the left navigation menu, let's start with earning points. We will leave it like this since we did this step in the start guide. For spending points, we can choose from giving coupons in exchange for points or coupons as a reward without needing to redeem points. You can set rules for each coupon by clicking on this button here, but we won't do that since it's probably going to take a lot of time. Let's see what can we do with rewards pop-up. First thing, create the pop-up. We will use the free template and name it test. Maybe customize it a little bit, and as you can see, plenty of options are available, and you can make it fit your overall website, and again, it's free. Save changes and then close the editor. The rewards page is reserved for paid users, and in the referral program tab, you can customize pop-up or customize referral program for each of your campaigns. On the newsletter sign up tab, you can customize Popup to capture all email addresses. VIP tiers are for paid users, so we're skipping that too. In the end, we have email notifications. From here, you can customize email templates and manage notification preferences. Also, clicking on customize email here, you can see and change the text of the email that you are sending to your customer, which is quite useful. Let's activate Swell like this and jump to the website to see how it looks like. And it looks great. All that for free and without a line of code that we actually written. So considering that, that's pretty awesome. What makes this app great is the fact that you can easily create stunning and functional campaigns, and Performance tab gives you all the analytics you need. On a free plan, you can actually do a lot of things. And if you want to take your campaigns to the next level, then, you have 2 more plans you can purchase to step it up. All right, that was it for today, guys. So do you agree with us? Do you not agree with us? Did you enjoy having a behind the scene looks? Does it actually help you as a Shopify user to have this behind the scene look? Let us know in the comments, what can we do better? And if you need any Shopify work done, don't hesitate. ecomexperts.io, we are here for you, and we can help you with all sorts of things, from small customization to huge apps build. We specialize in Shopify, as you probably already figured out. Thanks a lot, and keep on checking this channel for more weekly app reviews and behind the scenes. Cheers, guys.